this video, I'll show you how to export all your workspace content in Notion. Whether you want a backup or need to transfer your data, this guide will make it easy. Start from your Notion homepage and click the settings icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select General Name. This is where you will find broader workspace options. Next, locate Export All Workspace Content. Clicking this opens up several options. First, choose the file format for your export, ensuring compatibility with other apps. Then, select which databases and pages you want included. You can also enable Create subfolders for subpages, which keeps your exported files neatly organized just like in Notion. Once your options are set, click Export. Notion will process your request and send a download link directly to your email. This makes accessing your exported data quick and convenient. And that's it. Following these steps, you can backup or transfer your entire Notion workspace efficiently, keeping all your information safe and well organized.